Green automation designs, manufactures and delivers fully automated growing systems for lettuces and herbs. We have several patents around the open gutter systems, and we work all over the world, but our main market currently is in North America. Green automation has a wide product range of growing systems and the supporting machinery and services around those systems. Those machinery consists of thousands of SOLIDWORKS parts and assemblies, and with multiple levels of assembly hierarchy. To manage of the project deliveries of such systems, we choose an ERP solutions from many suppliers, and we chose Monitor G5 as our solution because its extensive capabilities of handling manufacturing processes, and also because we could buy the accounting as a service in Finland for Monitor. CustomTools integration with Monitor G5 and SOLIDWORKS has many benefits. Integration for metadata and assembly structures really cut down the lead time of the design process and makes reduces the possibilities for errors and really makes the dull part of the design process more favorable to the designers. As a part of making the decision to choose Monitor G5 as our ERP solution, we contacted CustomTools teams at very early stage. As being CustomTools user over 20 years, it was only natural that we would use the built-in features of CustomTools and then, of course, build the necessary additional features with CustomTools team to meet our demands. Whole process of developing this software was a lean process, and the commissioning stage of the software was done quickly. In the future, we think of integrating our spare part and after-sales operations more tightly together with CustomTools and Monitor G5, again cutting down the dull part of the after-sales process.